is Mars, and while I was browsing an online marketplace for reasons, I found this thing. It's a ball, and it has a cord tied into it. The other end of the cord is attached to a headband. Apparently, it's a boxing reflex ball, or so they say. Now, I admit that since the pandemic emerged, I have been slacking off on my workout. Granted, I haven't been to a gym for over a year, so I got curious. I can buy this thing. It's fairly cheap, but why buy if you can make it for even cheaper? So that is what we're gonna do in this video. Let's go! For this project, we need a ball. I suggest rubber balls, but from what I researched, you can use tennis balls as well. I'm using this stress ball that I found lying around in my bedroom. Next, we need a cord. Not just any cord, but an elastic one. Out of the things I'll be using today, this is the only one I bought online. We also need a cap. I have some pew caps lying around. This one was given to me by my sister. Finally, we need a tiny strip of wire. If you don't have those wires, paper clips will work great as well. The first thing we need to do is get the cord through the ball. I have this gigantic safety pin and I'll puncture the ball until the pin goes through. I can't get the cord through. I think I need a giant needle, but I don't have one. Okay, plan B. I'm gonna use a zip tie to create a loop on the ball like so. I honestly wouldn't recommend the zip tie because the bulky thing might hit you in the face. But it's the best I have to make this work at the moment. Feel free to suggest safer alternatives in the comments down below. I don't think it's gonna hit super hard since the ball is light. Let's tie in the cord around the zip tie like so. Now we need to attach it to the cap. Now I'm gonna use this little strip of wire to create a loop that can put around the adjustable part of the cap. That way I can use my cap casually by removing the ball and cord thing. I have to measure the length of the cord so the ball is within my reach when I punch it. What I did was just lay out the ball in front of me while I pressed the other end of the cord on my forehead like so. Now I can cut the excess. I added 1.5 inch of allowance for the knot. Time to put everything together. Here we go, this is what it looks like. Let's give it a test, shall we? Putting the cap on and try to punch a ball. I kinda look like a dork, but whatever. It's actually hard to hit with my tiny hands. Let me put on my boxing gloves. Okay, I'm getting some hits here and there. This is going to take some time getting used to. So I'm gonna try this on my workout for a couple of days and I'll tell you my thoughts.
So this reflex ball, I have to say, it really gave me a good sweat. I'm actually quite surprised. It's really quite fun to play with as well. Like, you have to challenge yourself how many times you can hit the ball before it hits you back. And when you punch it hard enough, it really will recoil. So you have to dodge fast. So it really will help with the speed. However, the downside is most of the workout you will be doing will be on arms. So this is the only thing that's gonna be worked the most. And if you're doing footwork, that will help with your legs. So yeah. Another thing is don't use zip ties like I did because the ball will really hit it and it can really hit your face. So better safe than sorry. It doesn't hit hard, don't get me wrong, as long as you use a lightweight ball. If you use heavy ball, oh my god, it's probably gonna be more painful. So yeah, don't use zip ties like me. Unfortunately, that's the only thing I have at the moment. So yeah, Anyway, I'm gonna play with this on my workout session. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!